Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-October reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Leos in the middle of the month, in the mid of October season. Let's see what is there for my Leos. Okay, so let's see for Leos, please. Mid October Leos. So at the back of the deck we have the Nine of Wands with the Three of Wands. So I'm seeing that Leos, you and your person, you both have different directions right now because it is a very fire energies. It is, it is you. You might be dealing with another Leo, Sag, and I'm seeing that, or Aries. So I'm seeing that, it is that energy where one is like, I'm blocking you, and the other one is like, there nobody is talking to anyone over here. I'm getting that, and but both are waiting that, I'm not doing anything, but you have to do. You have to come. You have to talk to me. Okay, I'm. You both are at your other energies. Not looking each other, opposite directions. You both are looking. And what else do we have? See how this it is, how you both are not looking towards each other. So this is how I'm seeing, Leos, you and your person over here. Okay, so you might be having some kind of conflicts with each other. That is why I'm seeing that you both parted ways. And but it's like, they are like waiting for you to come towards you. They are in that mode that they have that, your person, Leos, they have that faith. They have that belief that yes, you will come towards them. Yes, this relationship will never end, that this is a relationship. If we will put efforts, it will work. That is the faith in them which I'm seeing, a very positive thing which is actually in their cards. And you at the same time, you also want, but what happens with you, Leos, that you are like, you want to go towards them. You have that inner feeling, but when it comes to that feeling, when you start feeling that, we had conflicts, no, I'm not going towards them, no. So that, then it's the time when you take a step back. Okay, when you start feeling that kind of that negative, okay, so they were the people who actually fought with me. Yes, this, my person was like this, my person was that. A very complaining energy I'm seeing, Leos, in your part. But though it is like, you really have good time, you really had good time with them, it was like a very beautiful relationship. But still at some time when you start feeling that kind of bad moment which you might have happened, you both might have experienced that kind of fight, that kind of an argument which I'm seeing. That is what might have happened in your part. So you have the Chariot, and they have the Ace of Cups over here. So it's like, they are really, which I'm seeing, Leos, your person is like, they have that energy. So they have taken that pause for them to think about this relationship in a much deeper level. So when they had that feeling, when they had that positive feeling that yeah, this is the person, everything will be fine. They have put everything towards the God. See, the lessons they have they have learned the lessons, you have learned your lessons. So the world and the wheel of fortune, I'm really, this is really beautiful energies from both of your sides. This is your future cards actually. I'm seeing that you both have learned the lessons. You both have actually, you both want to move on with each other, but still, you are not talking. You are still in the no contact zone, which I'm seeing over here. Yeah, but yes, conflicts are a part of life. That is what I'm getting. If you are really, if you really want that everything is going, should go smooth, no, it will never happen. Okay, so you have to be positive, because your person Leos, they really love to celebrate their happiness with you. They really love to spend time with you, Leos. And conflicts, in fact, they are really happy in the conflicts as well, Leo. Sometimes, they might even enjoy when you might, you start some kind of a conflict. They might even enjoy that kind of a thing, which I'm really getting. This is the intuition which is talking to me. They are really, they are really in that positive, optimistic mode where they learn from you, okay, and they have that feeling. The Page of Pentacles, they really learn to be, they learn from you. They love the way you inspire them. They love the way you make them feel, because you are the Page of Cups and they have the Page of Pentacles. You both are really like kiddish, and you both like to, you both have that, kind of a feeling where you both are really like, how to say, um, like, that immature feeling, but still you both are enthusiastic. You both are really, learning from each other. You both have that beautiful optimistic feeling, positive feeling. That aura is really positive, that energetic feeling. Okay, when it comes to them, you are also very positive, and when it comes to you, they are also very positive. That is what I'm seeing. The conflicts are the part of life, and it will happen. It will never end. That is what you have to understand. Because really, the cards are really beautiful over here. Your person, they are really, they want a move. They want to take a move, and they are coming towards you, Leos. Okay. um, the advice for you, Leos, is Queen of Swords with the Eight of Pentacles. When you really wait for somebody else to come towards you, sometimes it's really good that if you will put effort in a relationship or in a situation, then everything is really good. Okay, so with the Queen of Swords, I'm really getting that communication should be straight. Okay, it should not be like zigzag. You are not on a roller. So you can talk to your person. Sorry. You can talk to your person in a very straight manner. You just have to put some efforts in your situation. This is for them as well. You both have to put efforts in the situation. You have to communicate. Whatever conflicts were there, you have to communicate with each other. They have to talk, you have to talk, you have to sit and talk, and then after the communication, everything will be fine. I'm seeing over here, this was just a miscommunication if you are in that no contact zone. Okay, let's see what do we have. See, Strength card. So you both need that inner strength. You have to gain that inner strength, and you have to come up. You have to go and talk to your person. Either it's you, either it's them. Whosoever made this communication, whoever was in that miscommunication, because it has happened from both the ends. Okay, that is what I'm getting over here. Justice. See, somebody over here felt that you didn't receive that justice. You were like, you couldn't balance your energies, and that is what you have to do. That is the advice for you from the universe, Leos, that you have to stand up and you have to gain that energy. You have to balance yourself, from your mind, from your heart, and from your mind, and then everything will, you have to sort out things yourself. Okay, that is the universe wants, because this is a situation where nothing happened, and all of a sudden you just went in no contact. So really, might be dealing with an Aries over here. um, Leos, it's like, the feeling is really, the energy is very very strong, which I'm feeling, which I'm getting. The energies are really strong, and it is that sense, this is a proposal might also be coming your way. So be ready for that energetic feeling again, Leos. Okay, so we have Cancer, Leo, Sag, Libra, Pisces, Aries, Libra, and what else? Pisces again. So Leos, and yeah. So okay, so that's all we have over here. So that is all from my side, Leos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.